Hey guys, this is Very Doki, and I found this weird sound in Saints Row the Third. And just so you know, I'm not playing as myself. I will show you my formula of how to make me and how to make other characters, but just my way. And there's some other characters from other people, so if you wanna just check that out, or it's not uploaded. But anyway, let's get to the weird sounds. Now listen carefully. I'm gonna shut up for a second. So, here we go. What the fuck? Where's that sound coming from? Where's that sound coming from? Is that coming from you, toilet paper? Anyway, yeah, that's my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this weird video. I know it's short, but I'm just showing you a short thingy because it's weird sound that I just found out. And the farther you go, it disappears. So yeah, anyway, I need your comments. Hold on, sorry. Does this look like Niko Bellic? Sorry, kind of turned the camera a little. But anyway, yeah, I got him with the red suit like he does in the game. I mean, not the red suit, I mean the red suit inside of it. Alright, yep, that's it. Please give a like, and like the sound that's coming from don't know where. Anyway, this is Very Doki. See you on the next one. Let me